What's up, you see all your boy Days, and I'm back with another video as y'all can see. And I'm in the hood right now with my mother.
You know, it was raining, so I had to cover my head, you know what I'm saying? I ain't want my head to get wet.
I told her not to take her hair out. She wanted to take her hair out and she wanted to be smart, and I told her she didn't need to have it for 3 weeks.
I think I did I?
No, it was like 2.5.
Oh, damn, need 3 weeks?
Alright, but I bet y'all, like 2 more days she gonna want me to do it over.
You is gonna do it over in 2 days. You already know it. But now I wish I went in there when shit wet. Cool down rain, I put this on my head.
Ma, I'm not doing it over. I'm not doing it over.
You know you doing my hair over.
I'm not doing it tomorrow, because you gonna try to get me to do it tomorrow.
Yeah, probably. Or maybe Monday, but probably tomorrow.
Sunday. I do it no, tomorrow. Okay.
Tomorrow is Sunday.
Okay, tomorrow is Sunday. I keep thinking the day Friday.
No, the day is Saturday. Sorry to bust you up.
TT.
So you might as well do it tomorrow on Sunday. Yeah, I took it out, and now my hair wet. I'm about to pluck it back out too.
As y'all can see, it was just raining, but the rain stopped.
That's why I had to put the shirt on my head.
The rain stopped, yo, the pool over there.
It got a little bit wet. It ain't too wet.
But it's supposed to be a cookout day for my cousin. So we're gonna see if that's still happening. Y'all just stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to my channel. Y'all already know. And yeah, let's get into this video. Period. However do you want it? However do you need it? However do you want it? However do you need it? However do you want it? However do you need it? Ma, look at you with that shirt on your head.
I'm glad it stopped. I almost reached the rain, but hopefully the rain stops so I can take it off my head. Cause I ain't want my hair wet. Cause oh my God, I just took it off and it would have been all.
Come on, Ma, give him a 360.
My hair would have been a mess.
Show him the fit.
And I, you know, I'll take my shirt off.
Decisions are easy.
Hey!
Turn up, you know what time it is?
It's everything be wrong, PT. I say it's fresh. It just can't be. Joanna. Joanna. Why you doing like Joanna?
Alright, y'all, so it stopped raining, so I'm so fucking happy that it stopped raining, because I think the cookout about to start soon. So let's just cross fingers crossed that this fucking cookout start, because that was my whole point, to come outside, y'all. Like the whole time, the whole point, the whole fucking day was about this fucking cookout. So this shit better happen. So the fuck. Where the cookout at? Say little let me stop, but yo, this is my fit for the day. Y'all. I swear to God, I didn't even know I had this shirt. Like, that's crazy. Like, but it went right perfect with my motherfucking jumper, and I got my little fanny pack on. But I just don't like how the jumper. I mean, I do like how it fit. I got a lot of compliments on my jumper, y'all, but. I don't know, but I'm gonna get back to y'all when something different happened. Hey!
With the W for Weezy.
Hey! I can't even make it up no more.
Long live Killer.
I ain't even seen the lady. I don't think she walked in here no more.
Ma, put the W's up.
For Weezy.
I'm
Ma, take this off.
Stop raining now. Hold up.
Just your hair dyed for a reason. Look, I told you, look, in the front it's turning a different color.
It's blowing.
Blowing now.
You better watch your tent.